Welcome to the Gurukul Prep Daily Podcast on 3rd August. Update 1 Important Day Cloves Syndrome Awareness Day, August 3. Every year, on 3rd August, we commemorate Cloves Syndrome Awareness Day to raise awareness of this sporadic genetic illness that affects the development of numerous body parts. Over time, skeletal anomalies, abnormalities of the organ systems, and characteristic facial traits are frequently observed in individuals with Cloves syndrome. Cloves syndrome does not currently have a cure, although early detection and treatment can greatly prolong life. The origin of the Cloves Syndrome Awareness Day is unclear. Since it is a rare disease with just over 200 identified cases, there aren't adequate funds and research for it. Update 2 Banking RBI update on 2000 rupee notes withdrawal. 10 months after the deadline for depositing or exchanging the 2000 banknotes at bank branches passed, over 2.08% or 7,409 crores rupees of the withdrawn banknotes have still not been returned to the RBI. This means that by the end of July 2024, 97.92% of the high-value 2000 rupee banknotes will be back in circulation, according to an update from the Reserve Bank of India. The total value of 2000 rupee banknotes in circulation was 3.56 lakh rupees crore at the close of business on 19 May 2023, when RBI decided to withdraw the banknote. Update 3 Defense Indian Armed Forces gets the first woman Director General of Medical Service. Lieutenant General Sadhna Saxena Nair is the first woman to be designated as Director General of Medical Services. She was also the first woman to hold the positions of Director of General Hospital Services, Armed Forces, and Principal Medical Officer of Western Air Command. She graduated from the Armed Forces Medical College in Pune with a strong academic record and was commissioned into the Army Medical Corps in December 1985. 3 generations of her family have served in the armed forces over the last 7 decades. Update 4 Defense India to host first multinational air exercise, Tarang Shakti 2024, in 2 phases. India will hold its inaugural multinational air exercise, Tarang Shakti 2024, in 2 phases beginning 6 August near Sular, Tamil Nadu. Approximately 30 countries are expected to take part, with 10 bringing fighter aircraft. The exercise aims to demonstrate India's defense capabilities and improve cooperation among participating militaries. Vice Chief of the Air Staff Air Marshal A.P. Singh said at a news conference in New Delhi that the first phase will take place from 6 August to 14 in Sular, Tamil Nadu, and the second phase from 29 August to 14 September in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Update 5 Agreement India and Vietnam partner on Maritime Heritage Complex in Lothal. India and Vietnam, 2 countries with a long and intertwined nautical history, are collaborating to create the National Maritime Heritage Complex (NMHC) in Lothal, Gujarat. This cooperation, based on centuries-old maritime connections, exemplifies the 2 countries' lasting bond and commitment to conserving and celebrating their common heritage. A Memorandum of Understanding (MoU) was signed between India and Vietnam at Hyderabad House in New Delhi in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Prime Minister of Vietnam, Mr. Pham Minh Chinh. Update 6 Obituary Anshuman Gaikwad, former India cricketer and coach, passes away at 71. Anshuman Gaikwad, a legendary Indian cricketer, former coach, and selector, died at the age of 71 after a lengthy battle with cancer. Gaikwad, known for his cool attitude, played 40 tests and 15 one-day internationals for India, amassing 2,254 runs. He was a coach when India had captains like Azharuddin, Sachin Tendulkar, and Sourav Ganguly. His defensive approach was best exhibited against India's arch-rivals Pakistan in Jalandhar, where the right-hand batter silenced all critics with an explosive double century in the second test of Pakistan's India Test series in 1983. Update 7. Rank and Report. GST collection surges 10.3% in July 2024 to 1.82 lakh rupees crore. Goods and Services Tax (GST) collections in India increased by 10.3% to a 3-month high of 1.82 lakh rupees crore in July, up from 1.74 lakh rupees crore the previous month. GST growth has returned to double digits after falling below 10% for the first time since the epidemic in June. The figures were higher than the previous month, but lower than the GST mop-up in April, when receipts peaked at 2.1 lakh rupees crore. In the first 4 months of the year, gross collections are 10.2%, up at 7.39 lakh rupees crore. Update 8. Rank and Report. India ranked second largest aluminium producer in the world. India has established its position as a worldwide mineral production leader, with remarkable rankings in several critical minerals. The country is the world's second biggest producer of aluminium, the third largest producer of lime, and the fourth greatest producer of iron ore. India's mineral production reached historic heights in fiscal year 2023-24, laying the groundwork for future growth. Two key minerals, iron ore and limestone, emerged as the backbone of India's mineral sector, collectively accounting for an impressive 80% of the total MCDR mineral production by value. Update 9. Summit and Conference. PM Modi attends Ghana's conference. On 2nd August, Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the two-day Ghana's conference by India's President, SMT Draupadi Murmu, at Rashtrapati Bhavan. In her opening remarks during the conference, President Murmu stated that the agenda for the meeting contained carefully picked themes critical to attaining our national goals. She stated that the conference deliberations would be an enlightening experience for all participants and would help them perform better. At the conference, Amit Shah urged the governors to visit villages and districts to instill confidence among people. Update 10. Summit and Conference. India International Hospitality Expo 2024. The 7th edition of India International Hospitality Expo, IHE 2024, has captured the attention of the worldwide hospitality industry as a pioneer event in the hospitality sector. While stakeholders from throughout the industry prepare to attend the standout event from 3rd August to 6th, 2024 at India Expo Centre and Mart, Greater Noida, Delhi NCR, it already appears to be a huge success. IHE 2024, taking one step forward in the row of collaborations within the hospitality industry, has partnered with Vietnam as the partner country.